everyone, we're going to write the composite functions in the form of f(g) of x. This is an introduction to the chain rule, and these are the two examples that we are doing. We're going to identify the inner function. So for the first one, the inner function would be sine of x. And for this inner function, it would be square root of x. So that's the difference. And then we're going to write y as in the form of f of u. So for this first one, it would be y equals square root of u. So let's get started with these and use the chain rule. And we're kind of using this Leibniz. It's pronounced Leibniz, not Leibniz. So let's get started. And for this one again, we're going to let u equal our g of x. Alright, and then that's going to equal our inner function is sine of x. So then y is going to equal f of u. So that's just going to be square root of u, because that's our u. And then we just use this formula. So derivative of y with respect to x equals derivative of y with respect to u times the derivative of u with respect to x. And of course this is the same formula because these two would cancel out. So when you get that, you're going to, let's do derivative of y with respect to u. So that's just going to be 1/2 u to the negative 1/2. And then we multiply it by the derivative of sine. Derivative of u with respect to x, and that's just cosine of x. Now in the final answer, what we're going to write is we're going to input the u, so this is 1/2 sine x to the negative 1/2 cosine of x. And then to put this in the denominator, the 2's in the denominator, cosine's in the numerator, so you have cosine of x divided by 2 sine of x, and it's to the 1/2 now, so that's square root. And that's how you would do that one. Next one's a little different, and the second one we're going to let u equal square root of x. So let's write this as g of x, which equals square root of x. So therefore f of u is going to be sine of u. And then that equals your y. And then we're going to use our formula. So we have derivative of y with respect to x equals, now let's take this derivative of y, and that's going to be cosine of u. And then we're multiplying it by derivative of u with respect to x. So that's going to be 1/2 x to the negative 1/2. We have to plug in our u, so that's just going to equal cosine of square root of x. And this part here, it goes all in the denominator, so that's going to be 2 square root of x. So now you see the difference between these two. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.